He closed his eyes.
He flinched. It's okay.
He finna move.
He's flinching. I don't think he likes the two that are jogging right by his nose. He's eating them. I see his mouth moving. He's eating.
Yeah.
It's how do they eat? Because they're so wide.
Oh, there's fish down there too.
Oh, he wants to eat one of the fish. I have a lucky feather. Here's my lucky feather. How do they hear?
How do you hear?
I just don't know where are
Did I
they
just ask a stupid question and answer it with a stupid answer? Or just stop, Mom. Oh, he's moving, Carter.
But how do they hear?
They have ears.
Where?
He's moving.
Oh, that's a nice body. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. That's a big one.
Ooh. That is big. Bye-bye.
Why are you going to this side? I'm going to watch him. Okay, I'm watching him.
Ooh, part of her tail's missing.
I saw that.
Where's his